Welcome to PyQueryHub. This video is a quick overview of the main features of the tool. Let's start by connecting databases or spreadsheets to the platform. Let's go to Settings, DB Connections, and click Add Connection. We give the connection a name and select its type. In this case, we're going to select MySQL. And if your DB connection is not listed here, feel free to contact us so we can add it. Fill up the credentials asked for the specific DB, and you'll also have the option to use SSH and SSL to better secure you data transfers. Finally, click on Create Connection, and this is it. Your DB is now good to go. Collections are like folders or containers that help you organize related reports. To create a new one, just click Collections on the left menu and then click Add New Collection. Now let's create a new report. So in our new collection, we click Add Report, and after giving it a name, we get redirected to the report builder. The first thing we see is the query editor, and here we can select the DB connection we want to use. We can check also the database schema, and we can preview the tables of the database to help us write our query. Write your query in the code editor section and click Run, or press Ctrl-Enter when ready. We can also add parameter to the report to make our queries dynamic. Use YAML structure, like in the example below, and you will be able to have input fields that can be edited at any time. Check our documentation to see all the types of parameterization that can be added to a report. Now, when we create a new query, instead of hard-coding the filters for the payment day column, like in this example, we can use the liquid syntax structure to add our parameters. In this case, we can use curly brackets to add the name of each parameter in the filters, but check our documentation to see all possible options and alternatives that the liquid template language gives you to help you enhance your queries. Now, if we click on Rendered Query, the actual script that is going to be run include the dates of the current parameters values, and if we change the parameters inputs, we'll see how the query gets updated automatically. You can also build queries with the help of AI. Just describe your query in plain English, and our AI agent will know your DB schema and will create the query for you with joins and groupings if it deems it necessary. Here, I have already built a couple of queries. Now let's jump into charts. You can add one or more chart to one query. Let's create a pie chart. Drag and drop the fields from your query's results, change color, make it to show percentage, and give it a title. Same idea will be for building any other type of chart. Like here, let's create a horizontal bar chart, play around with the format for each chart, and see all options you will have available for constructing your charts. You'll have plenty of options to choose from, like radar charts, 100% bar charts, pivot tables, and of course line charts. Now let's add the chart we want to the report builder. And click in Report Builder. Here you can see all the elements added to your report's main view. You can configure the layout as desired. Simply resize each widget by moving its borders, and repeat this for each widget until you configure the desired layout. If necessary, you can add static text and also drag and drop widgets into the available slots in the builder grid. Remember, you can update the parameters and run the report again, which will run all queries with the new parameter values and update the charts automatically. Click View Report, and that's it. Your first report in PyQueryHub is ready. PyQueryHub also allows you to connect your queries to a Python Jupyter notebook for more advanced data analysis. In this example, we have a table of wine samples showing the properties and quality of each wine. So click Notebook, and PyQueryHub will preload your Python environment with your report data. So you'll find the variable called datasets, which will include all your query's results saved in a pandas data frame, and also the variable params, which will include the current parameters values. And with that, you're free to write any Python script for your very specific need, using famous data analysis libraries like pandas, NumPy, matplotlib, Seaborn, and many more. And you will also have the option to write your scripts with plain English with the help of our AI agent that will know all your current Python environment variables set up so far. Add your notebook cells to the main builder, and now your report will also contain advanced data analysis. You will be able to run the report with new parameters, and automatically in the background, all your dynamic queries will run again, and then your notebook will be executed with the new data. Remember, this was an overview of the core features, but PyQueryHub offers much more, like schedule runs for query and reporting, channels and alerts, webhooks, API integration, and groups and access management. Try our tool for free or contact us to schedule a live demo. See you at PyQueryHub.com.